Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Messenger. If you block someone on Messenger only, you can unblock them like this. So open the Messenger app, tap the three line or the menu in the bottom right corner, then scroll down and go to settings. Then in here, go to privacy and safety. Next, look for block accounts or block profiles. So under who can reach you, look for block profiles, then select that. So once you're here, tap the person's name, then select or click and block at the bottom. So that person or profile was unblocked. So if you block the person's entire Facebook profile, not just Messenger, unblocking them in Messenger will also unblock them on Facebook. So after unblocking, you won't automatically become Facebook friends again. You'll need to send a new friend request if you want to reconnect. And that's it. So again, just go to privacy and safety, then scroll down and go to block profiles, then select the person you want to unblock, then click unblock. And that's it. Very simple. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.